Hi. Meet the new giant bike Revolt Advanced 3 2020 year edition. This high-performance all-rounder made a big splash with its 2018 debut, landing podium finishes at big-time gravel events including Grinduro and the Unofficial Gravel Worlds in the US. It's designed around a lightweight advanced composite frameset with gravel riding geometry, so you can tackle long, hard rides with greater control and less fatigue. A composite fork eats up bumps, and the diffuse seat post and contact XR diffuse handlebar absorb shocks and vibrations. The frame is integrated for disc brakes and has clearance for larger tires up to 45 cc, so you can float through the rough stuff.